Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Noise Tune Charge Bluetooth neckband headphones. So let's get right into unboxing these. So we're going to open these up right now and just slide out the contents. There we go. So as you see right here, we have the headphones itself, and we're just going to see if we have something inside here, and we do. So this was on the back of the plastic box. So here we have the user manual, and we also have a product registry card. You can register your product to get the 1-year warranty. And now let's look at what we have here. So this is a micro USB charging cable with a type A on one end and the micro USB on the other. It looks like it's a pretty short micro USB cable, so you're not going to be able to really stretch it out too much and have it reach your bed if your charging point is too far away. Let's look at what we have here. We have a few extra silicone tips. They are gray and red tips, so they look quite striking. So if you require a different size, you can always choose from these two that they have provided. So let's set this aside too and take a look at the earphones themselves. So they're tucked pretty neatly in this packaging. They are a neckband style headphones. The top is extremely flexible plastic. It's not too rubbery, but it does have a little bit of flex to it. So the bottom has a matte black texture, while this little band here is glossy black. So it does have a bit of contrast. And the whole band itself is grayish black. So on the right module, you can see we have a bunch of controls. You have the volume plus and volume minus buttons, as well as a central multifunction button. So here on the side, you can see a little flap. So once you open this flap, you'll find the micro USB port, and you can easily just insert the cable into this to charge it. And here you have a very inconspicuous looking button. It's not really noticeable, but this is actually a bass booster button. So if you press it, the bass on the device will be significantly boosted. Naturally, Noise claims that these are very balanced headphones. They have a balanced frequency range and sound profile. But if you do like a little bit of an extra thump in your music, a bit of a bass punch, then you can always use the bass boost button to enhance that. So this wire here looks like it's quite robust, even though it is pretty thin. It's made out of rubber, and it has a little bit of a gradient texture in here, so it looks like it can take a few tugs. These earphones, on the other hand, are magnetic. As you can see, they join together. So when they are not in use and simply lying around, it just connects like this on your chest, which is great. So here you can see that the earphones are glossy black, which is quite different from the neckband itself, which is matte black mostly. They are glossy black all over, and they have angled nozzles for a better fit as well. You can also see that it has a little mic grill right here, a speaker grill, and the ear tips are orange and gray. So now we're going to place it back. And yeah, that's it for the product. It's a really lightweight product, and for commute and everyday use, it's looking to be a good product as well. So this was our unboxing of the Noise Tune Charge neckband style Bluetooth earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.